Smile. Smile.
How are you, te?
Sakit tummy mo, ate? Sakit?
O yan, daddy, ganyan. Post. 1, 2, 3.
So, ate. Ay.
Smile.
Excuse me po. Ma'am, excuse me po. Luwang na syudad dyan, ano?
May order ka na.
Dito na siya, man.
Fill tayo, fill.
Teka, bilangin muna natin yung pa.
Oh, gamot niya.
Nahanap ka niyan.
Tapos yun.
Lumpiang Shanghai.
Opo.
Ano ito? Ako ganito.
Ano nang ko siya?
Ay, nabukuro ko.
Oo, una sana yun eh, masarumso. Eh, naluto na nila yun, ikunin mo na. Tingin na ubos eh, pabalot, pakainin natin doon.
Ito yung chop suey, oh. Jamaica.
Mike, wala. Sige, sige.
Hindi pwede mo nang...
Okay lang, kainin mo ito. Oo.
Love you.
Dito wala silang soup dito. Dali niyo isa.
Yan na lang po ilagay yung soup.
Oo, yung isa. Doon sa gitna. Oh. Soup kayo, mag-soup. Bang mainit. Sim.
Ano na nga ito? Crispy buntot.
Rice pa.
Ano to?
Crispy pata.
Crispy
Oh.
pata.
Kirain nyo, din ang order dito.
Sige po. Si Jomay po.
Kirain mo.
Kasi meron pa.
Crispy pata. Oh, ano na. Ma'am. Oh, rice. Meron pa? Ano yan? Sabaw po. Crab and rice. Apa? Oo. Sige po.
Wala ito madali. Yung madali.
Saan po yung isa?
Isa pa daw. Street.
Ayos dyan, ayos. Ayan. Kaya pag tulog na,
We're here na po sa villa. Oops, 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 Raba. Daddy! Hi, ate. Nandito na tayo sa villa. You like your room? Yes, you like it? So cold here.
May aircon dito.
Yes, that is the aircon. Look, oh. Aircon yan, anak.
Ayun.
Yes. Iba lang yung maliit lang, ano. Hmm. Hello, Rapa. Really, hello. Hi. Good night. Sweet dreams. I love you. I love you, ate. Mwah. Good night, everyone. Good night. Nagutom na po si Rapa. Nag-midnight snack pa. Nagutom. Habang nanonood ng Diana. Si Ate Maylie, ayun, nagtatablet. Si Rapa, gutom na naman. Nagsuka kasi ikaw kanina sa car, kaya ikaw gutom ulit, Rapa? Yes? Sino nagsuka? Sino nagsuka sa car? Turo mo yung nagsuka sa car. Sino? Ako. Siya daw. Kawawa ikaw kanina. Ano, wawa.
Let's go. Let's go.
Later. Di ka free, anak. Yes.
Pila mo na lang, man. Alin? Pila mo na lang siya. Sir. Hintayin namin dito.
Sige ate, pasok na. Sige, okay lang yan. Sige, diretso lang, diretso lang. Wow! You like that, ate? Wow! Na-traffic na agad-agad. Daddy, na-traffic na siya agad-agad. Daddy, ate, doon daw muna, oh. Titingnan muna natin yung mga dolphin doon. Bilis, bilis. Later na dyan. Later na dyan, later na dyan. Wow!
Daddy, Daddy, Mommy, Mommy, wait.
Yes.
Tingnan mo. From here.
Wow.
Dolphin.
Wow!
It's just a dolphin, Mommy.
Dito sa kwan.
Opo.
Oh. Bili, dito.
Ikaw mag-picture, Daddy.
Ate, doon nga sila yung bilis.
Picture na, my love.
Nili ko tayo doon, Nili.
Talagang sira pa eh. Sariling sikap na. Oh.
O, ikaw yung ate, tingin dito ate. Oh, embrace mo yung embrace. Sakay, sakay.
Sila naman mag-embrace.
Sakay dyan, sakay. Sakay, sakay.
Oo, dahan-dahan.
O, ate Nili. Akit ka din doon ha.
Sa kabila, anak. Sa kabila.
Sakay ka doon sa sila. Sakay ka doon sa sila yun. Oh, Rafa, smile.
Smile.
One more, smile, ate Nili.
Smile, anak. Smile. Smile. Ate Maylie.
Dapat, asa yung
Yay!
ngipin mo?
Rapa, asan yung teeth? Rapa! Rapa, where's your teeth? Saan yung teeth? Rapa, saan yung teeth mo?
Ang sila pag bumalik siya.
Nakasingit na po.
Anong tawag siya? Balatan. Wala ito. Shrimp. Ano yan? Fish, oh, dami fish. Fish.
First time makan. Galingan mo. Lobster aja.
Fish. Di pa, may fish pa dito. Fish pa. Yun pa, fish. Dito pa, rapa. Ha? Pamili doon, bilis. Picture mo natin doon. Lagyan mo ang face mo doon. Rapa, wait na. Uy, sila Rapa.
Dali na. Yan, si Hector. Papa.
What is my dito? Tingin dito ate.
Mamaya pa yata yung dolphin showhan.
Oh, ay, dolphin, dolphin. Hi. Walang dano natin, walang tao. Tingnan mo, walang tao doon. Bawal doon. Ayun, yung dolphin, ang laki, oh. Tingnan mo. Fish. Kainin natin yung fish, kainin natin. Kainin natin, gusto mo? Am?
No.
Luluto na. Lumipad na. Ay, lumipad na. Lumangoy na, oh. Ang bilis, oh. Wow. Oh. Oh, wala, jump. Wow.
Ayun,
Wow.
dinadala na siya dun.
Nag-jump.
Tinatawag na siya. Galing na.
Ay, ate, airplane natin, airplane. Ayun, oh, airplane. Kita mo? Kita mo yung airplane?
One, smile ah. 1, 2, 3. Picture anak. 1, 2, 3.
Ayun, si Rapo.
Anak, smile. 1, 2, 3.
Sige, sige, sige. Sige, sige, sige. Sige, sige, thank you. Taba. Aray, aray. Aray. Bisan. Tunay yan. Ayan, pupunta yung mga bata sa atin.
Okay, thank you. Daddy, sa likod lang.
It is a very wild world that we live in. Well, think about it. We humans share this earth with nearly 9 million species of mammals, birds, reptiles, insects, invertebrates, and other colonies. In short, we are surrounded with life. And today, we have some really cool animals, and we are going to explore their amazing and mysterious world. So, are you guys ready? Are you ready? Yes! All the forest is filled with life. There are creatures of all shapes, sizes, and colors everywhere. But most of them we never really see. Because for those that are exhibiting the sky, those white rats up there. Are the all white rats? See, they are very obvious in the wild, that's why there is a called and eaten. In fact, most of the animals are designed to blend in perfectly to their environment and to be nearly invisible. And that is what's called camouflage. So right now, I am looking for a friend of mine who blends in perfectly to this environment. Have you seen him? On this side, do you see any animals? Not the frogs. So how about in the middle? Oh, that's the lizard. How about on that side? And there he is. So our little friend right there is a Philippine scout owl. And his name is George. And his friend, Martin. Well, they are nocturnal, which means they are more active during the night. Well, they have an amazing eyesight that they can catch their meal in complete darkness. Well, they have specialized feathers. That bird right there is a fox 7 or Musa, and his name is Larry. Just like our scout owl friend, he is busy at night finding food, so his eyesight is also excellent in the dark. And he found it! Great job! But that's doing right. Let's do it one more time, but this time. And he did it again! Great job! Is that wrong with you? It helps to balance our body. It is the enzyme that we can activate just like that.
What's that?
And as for his reward, he'll have some of his favorite fruits like banana, mango, melon, grapes, and even eggs. Big turtles have a lot to say. They chuckle when they're happy. Here in the Philippines, big turtles can only be found in Palawan. That's why they're also referred to as Palawan bearcats. Alright, now the applause for Luna, our Mikuro friend. Together with Trainer Princess. I say giant because they are one of the largest cats in the world. And they are so little, they have a wingspan of 5 feet long. Now, Yuri and Bamboo has 5 toes on its foot and 4 fingers on those delicate and stretchy wings. Now, their tongue sticks out so they can move along the branches. Now, everyone is wondering, why do bags hang upside down? Well, there are a couple of reasons, but first I want you to try this. Close your hands really tight. And when they're high enough, they will eventually fall into fly. Good job, Yuri. Now your turn, Kaku.
Oh, run.
Another round, Kaku. He stand out because he's smelling the air with it. Try that sometimes. Snakes sometimes have eyelids, so their eyes are always open. But it is protected by a transparent scale called spectacle. And give this beautiful pattern on their skin. It helps to blend it perfectly to the environment. And again, that is what good morning, Mama Training ko. Dahil hindi ka saan mo yun. Ako nag-awang Great. Second, I want you to feel down his body just like this. Lastly, I want you to toss Dennis head. Wait lang po. Wait. Arm lang po. Say hi! Oh no, sorry, innocent, honest, forgiving, and always glad to see you. We can have so much fun together just like this.
Bakit? Gusto niya dun? Ha? Bakit yan?
Jump. Ano ice cream yung mami ko? You jump. Jump. Look.
Great job! Now pick up like toy. All the actors. You hope that you enjoyed the show and have a wonderful seated at the right.
My name is Wayne, and I'll be your host today as we explore the fascinating world of one of the most amazing creatures of the sea, the dolphin. Well, here at Ocean Adventure, we have 3 dolphin species, and as you can see, they come in all shapes and sizes. So let me introduce our dolphin friends to you one by one. First up, we have Haley. Next is Nala. Followed by Enzo. Now these dolphins are very friendly and they like to welcome you all with a nice great hello. Guys, we're back. Whales, dugongs, and dolphins are not fish, are they? Oh, they are mammals just like you. That looks funny, right? But for dolphins, their tail goes that powers them through the water. Now we all know that our marine mammal friends breathe.
Natarpon pa ba yun? Tignan ko yun.
That blowhole has a lid that opens and closes so no water gets inside. The dorsal fin, and they use that fin to stabilize themselves in the water. And how about those fins on both sides of their body?
Kainin ko. Ubusin mo. Wala akong tissue.
Those are called the pectoral fins, and they use those fins to steer themselves through the water. Now, let's help our dolphins put those fins into action. They jump up in the air, just like that. One more time. There you go, and that's what we call dive out. And what do dolphins do when they want to scratch their injured skin? They do breathe. Some fish to catch fish and communicate with other dolphins. And what do dolphins do when they want to show off and have fun? They do amazing acrobatic aerials. So come on a big round of applause for our dolphin friends. Wow, that was fast. But wait, there's more. Let's get ready for the most amazing feat of all. If Michael Jackson can moonwalk, well, our dolphins can do this. They can walk and fly. And forward. Also for another round of applause. Put up your hands. There you go. There you go. Grab the fin and look at the camera on this page. Alright. Miss Cynthia, you know what there is? Well, Miss Cynthia, you just asked the dolphin to sing for you. And of course, you know what, folks? Our dolphins are not just for the dance moves, okay? You ready? Music, please! Okay, shall we and Wade Red Dolphin program. If you are interested, please talk to one of our friendly photographers.
Galang sila. Look mo lang. Ano na sila pa? Alis na.
Together for the Sentinels of the Sea. Thank you, Dolphins. Bye-bye, Dolphins. Once again, we do offer dolphin photo.
Hi, Daddy, no. No.
Ano? Tanggal? Fish cut?
Yung patili pa.
Crocodile. Yeah.
Dinosaur. Mga sa turtle, ate. Picture natin sa turtle. Doon. Hawakan mo yung turtle sa ulo. And smile. Hawakan mo sa ulo. O yan. Okay. Smile. Tingin dito ah.
Ate.
O, 1, 2, 3. Smile.
Show your teeth. Where's your teeth?
O, smile. One more. Babayaran. Ayun na siya.
car.
No problem.
Attention! Alright, great job, Early and Zoe. So, Officer King, how's that for strike?
How's that, Early? Not bad.
Not bad.
Because Early here can do better than that.
Really? We would like to see that.
Alright, Early sat down here and showed his folks what real strength looks like. Another drum roll, please.
That looks great.
Great job, Early. Alright, well now, there's another feature that makes them different from a seal. It is their high flippers that rotate, making movement on land so easy. Alright, Ruin Maker seat. There you go. Alright, so Early and Zoe show them your back flippers, please. Wow,
There you go.
great job. And this is how seals
Alright, well, just like so. Then I'm going to place for music fish. Trainer, second fish. Alright. Ah! What are you doing? We're going about to fall. Okay, so guys, should we give her another chance? What do you think? Yes? Okay, again. I want you to lie down first. Stay.
Bubbles. Ah. Bubbles.
What? Daddy, yun sa ice ni ate, oh. Sa aircon daw.
There are classes for every
Okay. One, two, three, go! Galing. Up here, up here, up here. Up here. Marumi yata.
This is so much fun. So nice.
Cheese? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Show your teeth. Where's your teeth? Saan yung titira ba? Saan? Okay, smile. Show your teeth. Show your teeth, ate. Show your teeth.
Wait, mommy.
Oh. Ikaw magdadrive? Oh, drive ka na. Drive ka na. Oh, kiss mommy, kiss mommy, kiss mommy. Kiss mommy na lang. You kiss mommy. You kiss mommy.
Boom, 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 boom. Uy, dito ay tongue.
Huwag kang titingin, Rafa. Rafa, Rafa. Asan yung teeth? Asan yung teeth? Asan yung teeth? Ate Maylie, Ate Maylie. Ilagay mo siya dyan. Ate, ilagay mo siya dyan. Picture, bilis. Rafa! Okay.
Ay, napaiyak ko ni Lia agad. Rafa. Oh, may sasakyan na.
Tulog sila eh.
Lia, may sasakyan. O, Mel, si Lia nga ganyan.
Mas magaling ka lang si Edwa ay. Oh, takbo sila, monkey.
Yes.
Monkey! Oh, yun, laki monkey oh. Monkey!
Daming monkey.
Dami!
Hi. Oh, mas mura pa nga dito. 49.50 lang.
O, tingin dito, tingin. Tingin. Hawak mo si Iron Man. Hawak mo. Tingin dito ah. Ito na, Rafa, tingin. O, Rafa, tingin. Wala. Dito ka na lang. Sa may pit mo. Rafa. Sa may pit mo. Ay, wala.
Tulog pa. Tulog pa talaga. Hi. There.
Smile ka.
Ano ate? Lapit ka.
Gulong. Gulong.
Can be the road.
Hello, we're here again at Lake Farm, Pantabangan. Ayan. From Subic, pauwi sa Baler. Ayan, napadaan kami dito sa may Pantabangan. Tulog na ang aking bebe love. Tulog, napagod sa biyahe. Ayan, dumaan ulit kami sa Lake Farm. Yan. Pahinga ng konti. Hindi ko pa naman nakita paggabi. Titignan natin mamaya kung ano magiging itsura paggabi. Kasi 4 PM dati umuwi na kami. Ngayon maaabutan kami ng dilim. Yan. Papakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura. pag gabi na dito. Ayan, nagsisimula na silang mag-open ng mga lights. Nay, magpa-dinner ka na dito. Magpa-dinner ka raw.
Padinag ka na.
Kuya Edwin, magpa-dinner na kayo.
Edwin, 10,000 daw, 6 packs. 10,000, 6 packs. Tapos 1, 2, 3. Pagka ano,
Labis ang langit ay bumaba.
yung dalawa daw.
Pababa pa lang pala. Tumingin sa labi. Tingin natin. Di ako lagi mahulog sa'kin. Tumingin, ikaw lang ibigay sa
Picture tayo doon.
Ang ganda naman ng view ko. Ganda.
For this is all I